Hey boys and girls, this is the rotor and hub assembly on a 2001 Volkswagen Jetta, and I'm going to be replacing the wheel bearing today. I just wanted to show you one of the ways you can tell that you have a bad wheel bearing, besides the awful noise you get every time you drive the car and possibly turning it one way or the other. In my case, when I turn it to the right, it's on the driver's side, it makes an awful noise, but this is one of the ways you can tell. If your rotor, when you take your wheel off, does that, that's probably a bad wheel bearing.